Hi friends, I'm going to share a tutorial on this eye look. I'm priming my lids using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Biscuit. Now I'm going to set it using Wet n Wild's Contour Face Palette, and this is yellow powder which is really useful. I'm using Makeup Revolution's Euphoria palette for today's eye look. Now I'm using Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk by NYX, and now I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette, taking that matte orange eyeshadow in my outer V using Wet n Wild's flat eyeshadow brush. I'm defining my outer V and blending the eyeshadow. I like this eyeshadow palette because the eyeshadows are pigmented enough and you can build the eyeshadows pretty well and easily. As you can see, now I'm applying matte green eyeshadow, and now the fun part begins. I'm using NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer and applying it using Morphe flat eyeshadow brush. The silver eyeshadow is going on my inner half of the lids. I quite like the silver eyeshadow, and to intensify I'm using my fingers. This is how the eyeshadow is looking like on my eyes. I absolutely love it. And now I'm just blending the edges of the metallic eyeshadow with matte orange eyeshadow. Now I'm defining the green part and using matte green eyeshadow. Love this green. Follow the same steps and glam up the other eye as well. I absolutely love glam looks, can't you say already? Okay, so now I'm using pointy eyeshadow brush by Morphe and blending the edges to smoothen the edges. And now I'm using my current favorite eyeliner from Rare Beauty, and this is a very beautiful pen tip liner, and it is having only one drawback that I could see on the lower lash line. I stamped myself, and it happens every time I use this liner. Otherwise, this is a beautiful eyeliner, and very easily we can draw thin strokes, and you can just thicken your eyeliner for that matter. So I quite like this one. Now I'm using Plum's I Swear by Kohl Kajal in black, and outer half of the waterline is what I lined using this kajal. Now I'm using peach color corrector by Girl, and now blending it using my PAC concealer brush, and now setting using the Wet n Wild yellow powder. Now using this green eye pencil on my inner half of the lower lash line. Love it, just look at that. And then I'm applying this silver eyeshadow to oomph up the eye look. Now I'm using Rare Beauty's mascara. You can use mascara of your choice, no problem. This is just a guide for you to use products whatever you have got. Now I'm lining my lips, and I use Essence Cosmetics lip liner and Faces Canada Peach Candy lipstick, and now I'm topping it up with a gloss, rather lip oil by Makeup Revolution. And this is the close-up of the eye look that we created. I absolutely love this eye look. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe wherever you are. Do comment down below and let me know if you like this eye makeup look and you like this tutorial. Was it helpful for you? Do you like watching my video? In case yes, please support by subscribing to my channel. I absolutely love bringing these kind of videos for your ease of reference. I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.